The backup camera shows an area behind your vehicle on the control display and supports you during parking and maneuvering. Turning circle lines and lane lines help you park. There are two markings that you can show in the image of the control display. The static red turning circle lines show you the shape of the smallest possible turning circle of your vehicle with the full steering angle. The variable green lane lines help you estimate the space required when parking and maneuvering. They're dependent on the current steering angle and are continually adjusted to reflect steering wheel movements. Position your vehicle so that the turning circle lines lead into the targeted parking space within the limits. Turn the steering wheel until the turning circle and lane lines are aligned. This results in a parking situation that fully utilizes the smallest possible turning circle of your vehicle.
In addition to Active Parking Assist and Parktronic, the surround view of the 360-degree camera also supports you when parking by serving as a convenient visual parking and maneuvering aid. The 360-degree camera is a system with 4 cameras, which analyzes the images from the reversing camera, the front camera, and a camera in each of the exterior mirrors. The cameras cover the immediate surroundings of the vehicle. In the command display, you can select between full screen modes and various split screen views. To activate the 360-degree camera, press the function button next to the steering wheel. Depending on whether transmission position D or R is selected, the command display shows a split screen with top view and the image from the front or reversing camera. You can show images automatically by engaging reverse gear. To do so, the Activate Automatically in Reverse Gear function must be selected in Command Online. The area behind the vehicle is shown with guidelines in the command display, and the top view is displayed as a split screen. To change the split screen view, slide and then turn the command controller to select one of the vehicle symbols. Only use the guidelines for orientation and do not pass the red guideline when approaching objects. Bear in mind that the 360-degree camera is only an aid and is not a substitute for attentive driving.
The 360-degree camera, surround view, is a convenient optical parking and maneuvering aid, used in addition to active park assist and parktronic. The 360-degree camera is a system comprising 4 cameras that analyzes the images from the reversing camera, the front camera, and each of the exterior mirror cameras. The cameras cover the immediate surroundings of the vehicle. You can choose between full-screen modes and various split-screen views in the command display. Press the function button beside the steering wheel to activate the 360-degree camera. Depending on whether D or R is selected, the image from the front or reversing camera appears in the command display. You can also set the images to appear automatically once the reverse gear is engaged. To do this, select the function Activation by R gear in Command Online. The command display shows the area behind the vehicle with guidelines and the top view as a split screen. To switch to the split screen view, select one of the vehicle symbols by sliding and then turning the command controller. Only use the guidelines as orientation aids and do not cross the red line when approaching foreign objects. Please note that the 360-degree camera is only an aid and is no substitute for driver concentration.